Hello, everybody. It is your baby boomer, Kitty Lane, from the Peninsula in Virginia, here with a little Mr. Nosy Body, Yellow Booger.
That's it.
Okay, so we know that our today's letter is the letter Y, and that's why I call him Yellow Booger. That's my nickname for my baby boy. Okay, so we're going to get right into the lesson today. Our letter is the letter Y. The letter Y. I have not put on lotion, so if you hear something sounding like it's trying to start a fire, it's probably my skin rubbing against my skin. But pay it no mind. I'm cool for right now. I'm cool. At least you know my hands are clean because they get like this after I wash them. Okay? So there we are with the letter Y. Our first word, I'm going to give you two signs for this first word. Let's see if I remember them. One is creating a ball. Take your Y hand, circle around close, and pull out.
Oh, darn.
Like you're circling a ball of yarn and pulling out the string with your Y. So circle around and pull out.
Oh.
Or the second sign, much shorter, same concept. You just center pull and keep it moving. I'm a center pull gal. So let's spell it Y-A-R-N. Yarn. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. Okay, so for our second word, you're going to make two S hands. Okay? And if you want to remind yourself, you can actually get away with this. You're going to make the S hand with your non-dominant hand, and you're going to make the E with your dominant hand. And that'll help you remember this. Remember the earth rotating around the sun. How long does that take? It takes a Y-E-A-R. A year. The earth going around the sun in a year. Y-E-A-R. Year. It's actually two S's, but that's just something to help you to remember. Y-E-A-R. Year. Y-E-A-R. Year. Bring this down a little bit so we can see. Okay. Now, the last word is actually one of our colors. Like I said, you heard me call my baby boy Yellow Booger. I have Yellow Booger and I have a beige booger. Because they hang on grandma like that, okay? But seriously. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. You just kind of shake it. I wiggle it, but same concept. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Okay, let's recap those three words, okay? So first we have Y-A-R-N. Yarn.
Years.
Y-A-R-N.
Years.
Yarn. Second one? Year. Just one year, baby. Y-E-A-R. Year. Or year. Y-E-A-R.
Year.
Year. Y-E-A-R.
You.
Okay? And then we go to the color yellow.
Man.
Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. See, not hard. Now we know how to say the color yellow. You can always say you. I'm pointing at you. Or your. Just throwing those in there. But I'll show you how to spell them anyway. I'm going to show you how to spell your. All you have to do is drop the R to spell you. So, Y-O-U. And if it's your, R. Simple. You, your. Okay? There we have it for today. So technically today you learned 5 words again. You guys rock. I am so proud of you. First of all, thank you for each one of my subscribers. You guys make this happen. You keep me excited. You keep me motivated. You keep me pressing forward. You hold me accountable. I appreciate that. If I get too fast, I've had those to tell me, hey, can you slow it down a little? So that's why I restructured the whole thing so that I wasn't teaching you too much at one time. I set it up in individual videos so that you won't feel bad going back watching the entire video. And I try to keep all of my extra talking at the end so that you can focus on the lesson in the beginning. And when you need to stop it, just stop it and move forward. Okay? So, I got this. I got you. You got me. We got each other. And we're going to make this happen. So like I said, please make sure you share the content. My goal, my mission is that as many people as possible learn sign language, because I believe it can be universal, and I do believe that it will become a better way for us to communicate. A large part of the reason I feel the world is falling apart is the lack of communication, lack of understanding what we each are trying to say. So if I can teach someone who can't speak English in sign language what an orange is, what yellow is, what yarn is, then it makes it so much better for us to communicate. You see what I'm saying? And we'll understand each other. Like if I say thank you and someone has taught them something different, then they understand, no, I'm not saying the bad word. I'm saying thank you. I'm not flipping you off. I'm saying thank you. And that's totally different. Thank you is good. Thank you is good. Thank you is good. The other thing, I'm not going to exactly do it, but it's over here somewhere. That's bad. So we're not going to do the bad. We're going to do the good. Thank you. Good. Also, when you share, and even if you haven't, please make sure you go to that bell. Hit the one with the dimples so that you always know when I'm dropping fresh new content. I need that. Hit those likes when you come in. Please leave comments below. Let me know how you think I'm doing. If there's anything that you think I need to change, I may or may not. So far, I've listened to everything, everybody. I can accept constructive criticism. I can. And I do know the difference between constructive criticism and people being not so nice. Okay? So, constructive criticism, I can take it. I can take it. And if it means that I have to alter what I'm doing so that it helps you, or even if it means that I suggest to you that we go one-on-one, I can do that. I don't have a problem with that at all. Don't feel bad. Don't feel embarrassed. Just reach out to me. If you don't want to hit me up in the chat where everybody can see it, my email is down in the description box. Email me. We can figure out a way where the two of us can meet up and we can do this together. Stop, please. Okay? Also, as I tell you all the time, do you know Grandma's motto?
What's the motto?
Come on over here. We'll say it together. because he's itching to get back in the picture. So I'm telling everybody, be bold. Say be bold.
Be bold.
Be brave.
Be brave and not shy.
Be of love.
Be of love.
And behave. You heard it from Kitty and Pete. I love you too, baby. Let me get to my mouth. All right, guys. Until I see you again on these YouTube streets. Peace.